Kalanchoe is native to Botswana, Lesotho, Swaziland, and South Africa. It grows well in tropical climates, primarily in dry, rocky, and exposed areas. The upright clumps of the leaves that resemble a stack of pancakes are an undersea shell make that this plant very distinct from all other Kalanchoe species. Flapjack plants have a unique appearance. It produces a basal rosette of large, round, and stalkless leaves. Leaves are fleshy, wedge-shaped, or paddle-shaped, grayish-green with reddish margins. One of the unique features of this species is that the leaves are covered with a white powder known as bloom. The inflorescence is erect and terminal with densely clustered, thyrus-like panicles. Flowers are sweetly fragrant, urn-shaped, greenish-waxy with yellow petals. Like many other succulents, flapjack plants love to grow in bright sunlight. It grows well in well-drained sandy potting mix. You can use a standard succulent or cactus potting mix to grow your flapjack plants. They do not tolerate cold at all, so don't forget to bring them back indoors if the temperature goes below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, particularly at night. They are monocarpic succulents and die after flowering, but the mother plant usually takes 3 to 4 years to mature and start flowering. The mother plant dies after flowering, but the plant will persist in the garden due to offsets. Plants that can be planted with them are stonecrop, yarrow, and ornamental grasses. Flapjack kalanchoes are very easy to propagate, and you can have many plants from your existing specimens. They can be propagated by using offsets and leaf cuttings. When the mother plant dies after flowering, it produces offsets at the base. Dig the soil and take mother plant out. Remove the offsets from the base. Use the offsets to propagate new plants.